Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix this green line problem in your Samsung smartphone, and I show you how you can fix this vertical green line problem. As you can see, there are lots of people are facing green line problem in their smartphone, and how you can fix these vertical lines problem. So friends, let's start the video. First, you can see here it is the smartphone that occurring this green line boxes. So friends, when you just click on the application, it is the display is not working, but you can see sometimes it is working. So there is a trick, so you can turn off this feature. So here you can see this green line. Firstly, you have to swipe it by the two fingers like this. Click on settings one time and double tap to open the settings. Similarly, do this with talkback. Click on the search right here, talkback. Click on talkback, double tap it, then double tap it, and you can just simply turn it off from there. Talkback off. And friends, you can see this problem is solved. As you can see, the lines are not showing in the smartphone and it is working in the normal way. You can see, and there is another line. As you can see, there are lots of people have made the vertical line problems in their smartphone, and I show you how you can fix this problem. So firstly friends, you have to just restart your device by going to this. Firstly, you have to click on this volume down button and power button at the same time. Just like that, it will reboot your smartphone, and when it opens, you have to click on the settings, click on the applications, click on search, and right here Android settings. So here it is, tap on here, click on storage, clear cache, and again press back. So friends, after restarting, you have to check for the software updates, and if the issue persists, boot your phone into a safe mode. So how you can go to the safe mode? So first you have to long press the power button, then press all the buttons like power button, volume up button, volume down button at the same time, so the phone will goes to the safe mode. Or for you can also perform a factory reset after backing up your data, as is this can help and determine it is a software and if it is there a hardware problem. And the green line problem has often a hardware defect, not the settings defects or there is a bug. It's a hardware defect. So sometimes it is caused by the settings, but mainly it is caused by dropping of your smartphone. So at last you can just go for a screen replacement or repair your screen if it is still not fixed, and by doing this will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.